The creativity program on TikTok is literally taking over the internet. It's arguably the greatest method to make money online right now, with many reporting higher monthly incomes. However, before you get too excited, keep in mind that the program is only accessible to residents of major nations such as the US, UK, and France. But don't worry, I found a way to bypass the location requirements. Regardless of where you live, you may use that method to sign up for the TikTok creativity program and begin making money online. Where do you live? Comment your country in the comments section so that I will be able to bring up more revenue-generating methods for you living in any corner of the world. This guide will teach you all you need to know about becoming a billionaire on TikTok. US TikTok account. This video will guide you through 4 chapters on creating a profitable TikTok account from start to end. Let's get started. The first stage in the journey is to create your US TikTok account in order to prepare yourself for monetary benefits. Yes, you heard it correctly. You will not be able to use your account to participate in the creative program and earn money if it's not a US account. So this will be the most crucial step in our video. However, you can buy a US TikTok account with the link I provided in the description below. https://ustaccount.com/howtoayt. Remember that at the moment this is about the only method available for obtaining US TikTok accounts. Furthermore, make sure you stick to all usage guidelines for the account. If not, the algorithm will recognize that you are not in the US and will no longer push your account. Now, all that's left to do is pick a profile photo and personalize your account to fit your niche. So be sure to keep watching if you haven't chosen your niche yet. Choosing a profitable niche. Now you have to pay close attention because many creators just fail in this section. If you re-upload streamer or podcast clip content, you won't get paid. TikTok has declared that it will only take original content. Now what that actually means is a little bit unsure, but podcast clips will not get you far. And if they do, it's not something to be happy about because they will surely be demonetized eventually. But don't be afraid, I have an ideal niche strategy for you. Well, there are 3 key components that make up an ideal niche. Firstly, you should publish videos that naturally draw viewers from the US or other first world countries so that your content appeals to a wide yet targeted audience. Your RPM, or the amount of money you make per 1,000 views, will increase with this. The next is to select a market where there is a high perceived value for videos that are also easy to make. This strategy will allow you to easily improve your operation by automating videos with AI. Here comes the last, you'll save a ton of time by doing this. I would recommend choosing a niche with a high number of active accounts, but not too many that share similar stuff. For instance, in Reddit stories, there are a few very popular accounts that are dominating the TikTok market and receiving a ton of views. Creating TikTok with AI gathering the essentials. Let me now demonstrate how you can use AI to produce excellent Reddit story videos. You'll start by going to ChatGPT and asking for a story that seems interesting to you. Now, after generating the story, head to ElevenLabs to produce the voiceover. Since the voice quality is excellent and TikTok genuinely pays attention to things like that, I would advise using ElevenLabs to become viral. So, after going to ElevenLabs, simply paste your script, download the voiceover, and you're done. So now it's time to find a video that we will play in the background. Since GTA 5 and Minecraft Parkour have been shown to produce hundreds of millions of views each, those are the 2 options I would choose. Simply visit YouTube, type in 4K Minecraft Parkour gameplay, and select a visually appealing video. Don't forget to consider the video's quality. It must be really high and visually appealing. Then, simply copy the link to any website that allows you to download YouTube videos. So download the video after pasting the URL. Creating the video. Also, let's actually look for some background music. Simply follow the same steps again and look up some music on YouTube. After having obtained all the video's content, now we are going to use CapCut, the greatest online video editing program. Of course, it's completely free, so visit their website. Simply click New Video and select the TikTok video format. The next step is to upload every piece of content you have gathered, such as the voiceover, music, and gameplay of the Minecraft game. Then click on Captions and select Auto Captions. After that, AI will automatically generate proper captions, saving you the trouble of doing it yourself. Depending on the topic of your video, I would advise you to alter the caption style to something a little more humorous or scary. Now there's one more thing we must include, which is the initial Reddit comment at the start of the video. Despite the fact that this video isn't based on a real Reddit post, you must find a template that looks like a comment. So, after finding and downloading one, you can upload the template by clicking the upload button in the upper left corner. Now, write a compelling hook for your video. Additionally, you may use ChatGPT to create certain hooks depending on the script it produced earlier. And it is crucial to make sure that the text and the Reddit comment box vanish together at the same time. If not, the result will be an unquality video that is completely unattractive. So congrats, you have made your first video. Finally, there are actually some things you shouldn't do that will ruin the entire algorithm and prevent you from ever going viral. Now, because we're dealing with AI-generated content, there will be a high volume of uploads. But you should always upload your videos with at least an hour's gap between them to prevent the algorithm from spotting any unusual activity. Also, adding an unexpected conclusion to the end of your script is another not-so-secret trick. Probably a lot of faceless TikToks have a call to action at the conclusion asking viewers to leave comments or share the video. So please let me know if you plan to take advantage of this simple opportunity to make money or not. Thank you for being till the end. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have not yet commented on your thoughts, mention your comments in the comment section. Let's meet again with our next video.